Hi there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this flush mount light fixture that I got sent out for review. This is a 12-inch dimmable LED kitchen ceiling light that you can use for your kitchen, but you can use it for any other room as well if you like. This is what we have once we open the box, and this is what you will be getting as well. It comes in different colors. Here it's the brushed nickel, but you can choose the white one or the brushed nickel finish or an oil rubbed bronze or even a gold one as well. So this is what we have here included, and let's just take everything out. It is made of glass. This part which covers the lights, it has the LED lights, and we have a switch right here to change the type of light we want. It has a frosted glass lampshade, and it has a built-in LED light source. So now let's go ahead to the ceiling to install this. Okay, we can see that we have the cables right here. We are going to match the cables with the ones that we have in our ceiling in our house, and make sure that you're following the manual of instructions for this and that you're using the right cautions while doing this. Okay, in this case we are going to install it in our hallway on the entrance of our home. Once that you have covered all the cables, here is how it looks like. And now we are going to proceed to add the screws so we can fix everything, the ceiling mounting light. Now here we can change the type of light. Here is the warm, this is the cool. So it has 5 different types of lighting right here, and it's really cool that you can actually change the lighting to the one that you like the most. Here it is, how it looks like once that it's ready to be used. Here's how it looks once that it's installed. Here is how it looks when that is turned off and turned on. Really nice ceiling light or light fixture. I think that it looks very modern, and I love that you can change the lighting from warm white to cool light, and with 5 different tones.